Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you two things real quick. The first one is a notification that has been coming from Bamboo. Bamboo has constantly reminded everyone that if you are moving money to your Naira wallet, if you're transferring money to your Bamboo wallet, your wallet account number has changed. So go to your NGN wallet on the Bamboo app, and when you're there, just do like you want to credit your wallet, right? Let's say you want to credit your wallet, deposit say 10,000 Naira. Your account number has changed. It's no longer the account number that you used to have there before. So when you click on direct transfer, that's the Naira transfer, you would see that my new account number is no longer the Sterling Bank account that used to be here. It's a different account number now. So please keep this in mind. Bamboo has sent 4 notifications about this, just letting everyone know that their account details has changed. So now if you're depositing Naira and you click on direct bank transfer, let's say you're sending from a Naira account, this is your account name. Your bank name is going to be Paystack Titan. It might be a different one for you. Again, they are sending a note to everyone about this, so always check to be sure that the account details are what is currently here before you transfer. So that's the first thing I wanted to mention. The second thing is, how do you now move your Naira or convert your Naira to dollars here? This is my NGN wallet. I have 6,000 Naira in it, but if I want to convert this 6,000 Naira to dollars and just leave it in dollars, or use it to buy stocks, how do I do that? Well, I will show you how to do it. But before I do that, I just want to mention one thing. You don't need to convert your Naira, the Naira here, you don't need to convert it to dollars before you buy stocks. When you go to buy a US stock, let's say for example you want to buy I'm going to use a random US stock. Let's say I want to buy Apple now. If I want to buy Apple stock and I click on buy now, I probably have like $3 or $4. If I want to go ahead and click on review, you see it allows me to place the order. I don't have $4 per se. What it's doing is it's taking the Naira from my Naira wallet, converting it to dollar in real time, and letting me use it to buy the stock. So you can use your Naira wallet to pretty much buy stocks. But if you still want to insist and convert that Naira to dollars, let me show you how to do that. So on the home page, I want to convert this Naira to dollars. What I'll do is I'll click on the NGN wallet. After clicking on it, I'm going to click on transfer. I already have Naira here. I deposited Naira to my Bamboo wallet. I'll click on transfer. What do I want to do? I want to transfer the 6,345 Naira. I want to transfer to, I will set my destination. I want to send it to my USD wallet. That's here. So if I click on USD wallet and click on continue, what it will do is it will take that Naira at the current exchange rate, which is here. It will take that Naira and convert it to dollar. So then to ask me to enter my PIN, I just entered my PIN, and then what it does, it automatically transfers that Naira. So the conversion has happened. I've converted my Naira to USD. So if I click on USD now, you will see here on the USD page, you see the new dollars that I recently converted. And you can also do the reverse case. You can transfer your dollars from here to your to your NGN wallet, here, NGN wallet. So that's it. Again, it's not necessary. You don't have to move your Naira to dollars to buy US stocks. You can just use the Naira wallet. It will do the auto conversion, automatically for you. But if you still feel the need to transfer your Naira to dollars, that's how to do it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.